Welcome to the 104th episode of Lalitha Sahasranam Stotra. Saturation is the key for a blissful life, and saturation is the key for marching forward. Saturation is the key for enrichment of the soul. Saturation is the key for the soul to reach closer to the super soul. It is the essence of Lalitha Sahasranam Stotra. It uncovers the hidden secrets of the death, the soul journey beyond death, what happens to the soul beyond death, and the hidden secrets of the birth. The entire medical science is hidden in various layers in the form of Lalitha Sahasranam Stotra. So let us move on. Next nama is Anugrahadaa. This is part of this sloka, Sadasiva Anugrahadaa, Panchakrutya Parayana. So the second nama in this sloka is Anugrahadaa. The energy form intermediate to sky element and the extra terrestrial, that is called Anugrahadaa. So we have just witnessed in the previous episodes the first instances of death of species on planet Earth. It could be the human death, it could be other species, plant species or the cows. Whatever it is we have witnessed the first instance of the death on planet Earth. So the journey of the soul after the death, we have covered that through Samharini Rudrarupa Tirodhana Kariswari, and then Sadasiva, where appraisal of the soul, the report card of the soul, departed soul, was being presented to Sadasiva. The next nama is Anugrahadaa, where the soul encounters the energy form beyond the sky element. So depending on the strength of the energy of the departed soul, the soul travels far and wide. It can go as far as the planet Jupiter, if it has got sufficient strength. The fuel, just like the launching of a rocket, a spacecraft. The departed soul, after leaving the body, it has received the counseling from Guru in the form of Ishwari. Then it has encountered Sadasiva, the sky element of the Pancha Brahma, where the appraisal of soul is carried out. That means from the time of the birth till the time of the death, what happened to the soul, to its karmacharana, to what extent the saturation happened, etc. This is the appraisal. Based on that, marks are given. The soul submits the report card of its karmacharana from the time of the birth till the time of the death to Sadasiva. And in the process, the soul gets rejuvenated and acquires new form of radiance, new form of energy. In this state, the region beyond the gravitational field, which we have discussed in Tirodhanakari, and the corridor of extraterrestrial, in this space, the region of in this space region, that is beyond the gravitational field and the extraterrestrial, before commencing the journey into the extraterrestrial space, soul encounters the harmony of what is known as Shivasikta Samarasya, the harmony of the unified form of Shiva and Parvati. This is the place where Parvati meets Shiva in who is in ever meditation. This region is not being perturbed by the gravitational waves, gravitational field, and hence this is the region where there is no disturbance, and therefore Parvati meets Shiva in this region, and that is Anugrahadaa. So in our there is a there's a correlation of this in our body as well. In our body, the Sahasrara Chakra is without any disturbance. The gravitational field in our body is perceived through the Muladhara Chakra, because that is the connection between our body and the planet Earth. And hence Muladhara Chakra perceives the gravitational field. Therefore, the region beyond the disturbance of the gravitational field is Sahasrara Chakra, which is farthest from the Muladhara Chakra. So, the process of the Shiva reuniting with Parvati in our Sahasrara Chakra is equivalent to Parvati meeting Shiva through Anugrahadaa, that is beyond the gravitational field and before the commencement of the extraterrestrial journey in the space. So these two are correlated. These two map to each other. The unification of the Shiva and Parvati in our ritual, it is celebrated as Parvati Kalyana. The departed soul acquiring this harmony, the energy of the harmony of the unification of Shiva and Parvati, seeking their unconditional blessings, receiving their unconditional blessings, and the subsequent onward journey. So this procedure is known as Anugrahadaa. So there are various steps in to the procedure of the departed soul, as we have uncovered through the first instance of the death that happened on planet Earth. So this procedure, Anugrahadaa, where the soul receiving the harmony energy of the unified harmony energy of the Shiva and Parvati, is similar to the immigration clearance that is done before boarding the international flight. So this is like immigration clearance for the soul to proceed forward, to march forward to the extraterrestrial journey. And if the immigration clearance is not done, that is Anugrahadaa is not successful, then the soul has to return. That is called Tirogamana. And because so under what circumstances the immigration is not being cleared, because the documents are not proper, appraisal is not good, then the soul is not having enough fuel to go forward. So all this, or it is providing wrong information, incorrect information, falsified information, or it is heavy. So under all these circumstances, the soul will not receive the clearance from Shiva and Parvati in Anugrahadaa, and it has to return back. That is called Tirogamana. And if it is success, this procedure is success, that is the immigration clearance or Anugrahadaa is success, then the soul marches forward, that is Purogamana. So through this Nama, Anugrahadaa, Ratnagraiveya Chinta Kalola Mukta Phalanmita re-enters onto the planet. The remaining namas we will discuss in the next episode. Thank you.